Bread, a staple in many households, is often bought in bulk or baked in large quantities. However, bread's relatively short shelf life can sometimes lead to waste. Freezing bread is a practical solution to this problem, offering numerous benefits. Here are 7 advantages of freezing bread. One of the primary benefits of freezing bread is the prolonged freshness it offers. Fresh bread can start to stale within a few days, but freezing bread allows it to be stored for months without losing its quality. This means you can enjoy your favorite loaf weeks after purchasing or baking it, reducing the need for frequent trips to the bakery or grocery store. 1. Prolonged freshness. Freezing bread significantly extends its shelf life. While fresh bread can start to stale within a few days, frozen bread can be stored for months without losing its quality. This means you can enjoy your favorite loaf weeks after purchasing or baking it, reducing the need for frequent trips to the bakery or grocery store. 2. Prevention of mold growth. Bread is highly susceptible to mold, especially in humid environments. Freezing bread halts the growth of mold by creating an inhospitable environment for spores. This ensures that your bread remains safe to eat, even if it has been stored for an extended period. 3. Reduced food waste. By freezing bread, you can prevent it from going stale or moldy before you have the chance to consume it. This is particularly useful for households that may not go through bread quickly. Instead of discarding unused bread, you can freeze portions and thaw them as needed, minimizing waste and saving money. 4. Convenient meal prep. Freezing bread can be a game changer for meal planning and preparation. Having frozen bread on hand allows you to quickly assemble meals, snacks, or lunches without worrying about the freshness of your ingredients. Simply thaw the required amount, and you're ready to make sandwiches, toast, or other dishes. 5. Easy portion control. Freezing bread in individual slices or smaller portions makes it easier to control serving sizes and avoid overconsumption. This is particularly beneficial for those who live alone or have smaller households. By thawing only what you need, you can better manage your intake and reduce the likelihood of overeating. 6. Preservation of nutritional value. Freezing bread helps retain its nutritional content. Unlike some preservation methods that may degrade the vitamins and minerals in food, freezing keeps the bread's nutrients intact. This means you can still benefit from the fiber, vitamins, and minerals present in whole grain or fortified breads, even after they've been frozen. 7. Versatility in usage. Frozen bread is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Beyond the typical thawing and toasting, frozen bread can be used directly in some recipes. For instance, slightly thawed bread is perfect for making croutons, bread pudding, or French toast. The freezing process also makes it easier to slice bread thinly, which is ideal for making delicate sandwiches or bruschetta. In conclusion, freezing bread is a practical and efficient way to extend its shelf life, reduce waste, and ensure you always have fresh bread on hand. By understanding and utilizing these benefits, you can make the most